Hi, everybody. All right, you see it. We are cooking. We are cooking. So I'm getting ready to pound this out. We're gonna I have a surprise for you guys. And I'm not gonna do a whole lot of talking. You guys are gonna just watch me chef it up, okay? So it's chicken breasts, and we have some potatoes, and we have some broccoli, and we have cheese, and you guys are just going to watch me do the rest, okay? If you have questions on what I did, on how I did it, and what's going on, leave a comment or ask a question, and I'll answer you. But other than that, just follow along, okay? All right. All right, so I cut the chicken up, and these are the pieces. Some are, they're pretty much uniform. You'll see how they're going to cook up in the pot in 1 second, okay? Right. I'm not doing too much talking. How am I doing so far? I'm just seasoning the chicken. I'm actually going to pop this off because I need all of this. This is